Hello, Professor. It's Ashish Fatnani over here. So I'll start my demonstration for assignment one, part one. Uh, so first of all, I have chosen GCP to proceed. First thing, I'll create a VM instance straight away. I've logged in into my GCP account. Into the compute section, I've selected VM instances, and as a prerequisite, the first thing is to create a fresh VM from the GCP. Uh, it's everything as by default. Uh, I think I just need to change a little bit of storage. That's pretty much it. And I'd like to allow HTTP and HTTPS traffic. And should be good to go. I think it will take a while. Now, as you can see, the VM is successfully deployed. I mean, it is started. The first thing is to do an SSH into this newly created uh, virtual machine. It's transferring the SSH keys into the VM. I'll authorize it. Now we are, in a nutshell, inside a virtual machine, which is a Linux based. There are certain prerequisites in order to proceed. First things first, I have noted on all the commands would like to run one by one. This is a command to install Git into our machine. So Git is successfully installed. Now I would like to install curl. Curl is also successfully installed. And then I would like to install Docker. I am running into some error. Let's try some alternatives. Snap not command. Docker compose. Should work. Docker is basically used to make our application into a containerization. So after this, we'll create a group into the Docker, which is already existed. We'll add the user just to check Docker is successfully installed. Yes, Docker is successfully installed. Uh, in order to fetch the processes which are running, There are no processes running as of now. So now moving ahead, as of now we'll choose Go language to make our smart contracts. So from the curl command installing Go. So it's a VI editor. Now, so at the end, I'll use this file. Was escape colon WQ enter. Now this is save and return. Yep, the path is changed. Now to install GQ, which is JSON parser. I think I'm getting an error in snap command. Let's try with apt get. Yeah, it's successfully getting installed. So all the prerequisites are done. Now, moving ahead, uh, the section of installation of sample binaries like fabric samples in order to run on our testnet. We'll like to install the fabric samples using the curl command. So it's now cloning a repository from Hyperledger. Yeah, so the fabric samples are successfully being cloned up. Now moving towards the fabric sample folders and copy the binaries into our local folder. So now moving to the test network. If any network is running, we can shut it down. And yes, this is done. Now retrieving the docker processes command. So now no. Let's start our network. Okay, so it's our testnet is up and running. You can see on the screen being shared. And now I'll retrieve the docker processes command in order to retrieve the processes being concurrently running. So as you can see, this is the list of processes being running. Now I'll create the channel. So the status is 201, which is created. I think, yeah, this is a JSON. Name of a channel is my channel, and this is my URL, and status is active. Yeah, my channel is a channel name just successfully being created. Now I'll try to deploy my smart contract in this channel. I'm already in the testnet directory. Let's just fire this command to deploy my smart contract. Field chain code package field error failed to read chain code package. No such file directory. Let's try to debug this issue. So as you can see, previously it was giving me an error. My chain code is failed to deploy. Thus I restarted my virtual machine. After that, even after that, it's giving me some error. Let me